welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So as you can see from the title down below, again, we have a brand new subscription to our channel and I am so excited about this one. It is definitely different and unique and I think it's going to be amazing. This is the German food box. You guys, this box is like so heavy. Isn't that? Oh, yes. All right, so first, thank you so much to German Food Box for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. They did send it to me for review. And before we get into exactly what this is about, I do want to remind you guys that we do have some active giveaways going on ending very, very soon, including our 4,000 subscriber giveaway that ends on the 15th. So make sure you head over and check that out and enter if you have not already. And if you are new, welcome. We'd love to have you. So please definitely consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please leave your comment down below telling me what you think of the box or just how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. It helps me out and I truly appreciate it. So, German Food Box. This box, I will put a link to their website down below, will always include 6 to 8 authentic German products in every box. Products vary each month and it comes in a decorative gift box, which is really cute. And you can pause or cancel the subscription at any time. Now, I am filming this video and so I guess I'll post this today because of this. I actually forgot. I'm doing quite a few videos today, but today is August 9th when I'm filming. And as of right now, they actually have like a flash 24-hour sale. And I'll put down below, if you use code SUMMER25, you can get 25% off your first box. So I'll put that down below as well as, like I said, a link to their website. I don't get anything out of it. That's just for you guys. And this box is $39 a month with $10 shipping, so $49 a month. But let's get in here. It wasn't an outer box, so this is actually not sealed. I can't wait to see what is in here and find out what is making this so heavy. This box, y'all, is really heavy. So, this is what we see when we open it. Make sure that doesn't fall. So, there's squigglies. And here's a card. It says, "Packed with love by Debbie." So thank you, Debbie. And then this, okay, so just in case you're catching this after the 9th, this right here, if you use coupon code FRIEND10, FRIEND10, you can get $10 off your first box. So I'll put that down below as well, that coupon code. So that is awesome. And then, is this like a recipe? I don't see like an information card, so I'm guessing that maybe they include a recipe each month, which is really awesome. I'm not even going to begin to attempt to say the name of this. Yeah, that right there. I will tell you what ingredients are involved in it to give you an idea. I see potatoes, so back here the ingredients are on the back, so it's some kind of potato dish. It really looks really good, but you need potatoes, flour, salt, 1 egg, some nutmeg, parsley, and lard. So it looks almost just kind of like, basically you'll maybe roll them out, or it says need to form a smooth dough. So then you're gonna cut and then probably like fry them up. So yum. Okay. All right, so let's move some of these squigglies out of the way and see what we have. So moving some of the squigglies and the yo, this is heavy. This is what we're seeing. There went some squigglies. So the first thing I see here, delicate puff pastry. Yum. That looks really good. So we have that guy. So they're like little cookies, I guess. Puff pastry. Looks like they have sugar on them. But yeah, they look really good. All right. And then we have let's see. I can read this. Sweet mustard Bavarian style. Ooh, I don't know. My husband may like this, but I know my dad would love this. That's awesome. This says, I'm thinking that must be 2 portions. This is, sweet souffled omelet mix. Yum. Okay, so it has the directions put on here in English. It says put the content of the pouch, mix it with milk to make a smooth batter. You can add raisins if you like. Melt some butter, add the butter, spread it evenly across the pan, cut into quarters while the surface is still sticky. Turn over and cook for approximately 1 minute till golden brown. Divide into small pieces. Cook for 1 further minute. Sprinkle with icing sugar, cinnamon sugar. It says you can serve it with apple compote. Okay, so I thought it was actually going to be like omelet, but I guess maybe their version of an omelet is different. So basically it's like you're making it's like a deconstructed pancake maybe or something, since you're breaking it up. But it sounds really good either way. Okay, this is part of the reason the box was so heavy. So what do we have here? Oh, so this is a raspberry preserve. I can't read anything else, but I can tell that it's a raspberry preserve, and that sounds so good. And it's 12 ounces. I mean, this is, you can see it's a good size jar. So yum. And it looks like there's another jar of something. Honey gherkin. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. What is this? Honey gherkins. Peeling cucumber, sugar, vinegar, cider vinegar, honey, salt, mustard seed, natural spice, citric acid, product of Germany. Oh, okay, so can you see it in there? So it's like little hunks, chopped, like big hunks of basically pickle. It's cucumbers with sugar, vinegar, honey, salt, mustard seed, natural spice. So basically it's like chunks of pickles is what I'm getting. They're calling it honey gherkins. So it's probably like the bread and butter pickle. I'm guessing maybe it's gonna have a flavor similar to that. I'll definitely have to let my husband try this because I like dill pickles. I mean, I'll probably try it. It sounds very interesting, but that would be my guess, is this is kind of similar to like bread and butter pickles. So this is definitely a good variety, and it's like legit. I mean, we've got a mustard, we've got cookies, we've got jam, we've got pickles. We've got this mix, and there's still stuff in here. Oh, yum. This is one of my favorite things. It's whole rye bread with the whole rye kernels. Yes. So we had a loaf of rye bread. That's awesome. I love rye bread so much. one of my favorite things is a Reuben sandwich, which is made with rye bread. This looks really moist. So I am excited to try this. Make a sandwich with that. And I still see something else. Oh, there's still a couple things. Gosh, this box is packed. What is this? Moam blocks? Looks like a can't. It feels like a chewy taffy candy or something. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be some kind. It says assorted. Oh, right here. You can see. Let's see. Raspberry, strawberry, orange, lemon. Is that like cola or something? See the raspberry, strawberry, and this almost looks like it has little like cola soda pop jars on it, and then orange and lemon. So these are like chewy candies I can feel. And then this looks like the last item. This is 2 portions, Rosti shredded potatoes. Ooh. It says stir fry. 13 to 15 minutes. This is what it looks like. Squeeze tinfoil bag gently before opening to loosen contents and empty the contents of pouch without adding oil into a non-stick frying pan. Spread the contents evenly over the base of the pan. Cook 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally. Draw in the potato from the side of the pan and press down lightly. Continue cooking for another 5 minutes till a golden crust forms. Turn the rosti by placing a lid or plate over the pan. Slide the turned potato back into the pan and cook on the other side for about 5 minutes. So basically you're making like a potato pancake. Yum. This box is awesome. So we got this to make potato pancakes, which are delicious. So the potato pancakes, we got some chewy, different flavored candy, the rye bread, the honey gherkin, which, like I said, from what I'm reading on the ingredients, I'm thinking is going to be very similar to like bread and butter pickles. The raspberry preserves, yum. The sweet souffle omelet mix, which to me kind of, when I'm reading the instructions, I'm thinking this is going to be kind of like a pancake or not cinnamon toast crunch, that's a cereal, like French toast or something that you're just breaking up, but it sounds delicious. The sweet Bavarian mustard, and then the delicate puff pastry cookies. And then we got this recipe that sounds really good and looks really good. So I think this was really awesome. What do you guys think? I just love, we got candy, we got bread, we got cookies, we got mustard, we got raspberry preserves, we got some stuff to actually cook, like potato pancake type things, and then this like sweet breakfast type dish. This is like amazing. It's such a good variety. I really like this. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link to their website down below, as well as this friend 10 to get you $10 off. So yeah, again, thank you so much, German Food Box, for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. I think this is fantastic, and I can't wait to try some different stuff. It just It all sounds really good. So again, let me know what you think down below. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.